Hi guys. It's Mark from Mark's Mojo. Today I am going to show you how to prepare palm peat, also known as a coir or coconut husk, for planting. Palm peat is a uniform, consistent, high-quality horticultural growing medium, which ensures good germination of seed, and vigorous root, plant, and flower development. Palm peat, also known as coir or coconut husk, is a potting medium that provides an alternative to potting soil featuring high water retention, suitable aeration, and antifungal benefits. Palm peat ensures good germination of seed and vigorous root, plant, and flower development. Palm peat has excellent water and air retention characteristics. It is free of weeds, pests, and insect organisms and has a balanced pH of between 5.4 and 6.8. Palm peat is ideal for the production of vegetables and flower seedlings in trays and punnets. Rooting of a wide range of cuttings, growing on of seedlings and cuttings. Potting and repotting of indoor and patio plants. Mulching of flowers, plants, shrubs, and trees. Palm peat is compressed into a dry 1 brick for ease of storage and transport. It resumes its natural, fluffed out consistency and volume of 8 liters, when water is added. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you want me to make more of these videos, make sure to comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. For this brick of palm peat we are going to use 3 liters of warm water. As we pour the water over the palm peat, it starts to expand. As the brick softens, we break it up using our hands into smaller pieces. If there's small parts that are still dry, we separate it and add more water to soak it in. Since we are only going to use a small amount of palm peat, we can dry up the rest and store it away for using again at a later stage. We are adding more water to the palm peat, which is still dry, and we continue to mix it, breaking it down. We now add in an equivalent amount of organic compost or bone meal to the palm peat and we mix it together. We now select and prepare the seeds that we are going to sow into the palm peat. We fill seed planting trays with a mixture of palm peat and organic compost. We fill seed planting trays with the seed starter mixture and we plant the seeds in. Thank you for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Click on the bell and turn on the notification, to be informed when new videos are released.